Hey guys, welcome to lecture 4 of the chapter Poverty in India. Today we are going to discuss a very simple topic, that is effects of poverty. First, low national income and per capita income. See, per capita income means per head income, that is per person income. Whenever there is poverty, there is less income earned by the individuals. So, but natural per capita income is less, that means per head income is less, and as the per capita income is less, so overall it also adversely affects our national income. Due to this less per capita income, our national income is also less. So, that was the first point. Second, increased crime rates. Due to poverty, people are unable to satisfy their basic needs, their basic requirements, and hence they are forced to, that means unwillingly, though people don't want to commit any crime, but still they are driven to commit crime or criminal activities, and hence there is increased crime rates due to poverty in India. You will write like this: poverty often drives individuals towards criminal activity to meet their basic needs, which is compulsory. They have to meet the basic needs of themselves, their families, and that's why ultimately if they don't find any source of income, any work, they are not getting any work, in that case they turn towards criminal activity, which is not good for the society point of view, of course. Next is low standard of living. See, good standard of living can be maintained only with the help of higher income. Now, since poverty means people are having less income, and due to less income, people are not able to maintain their standard of living, so they have to lead low standard of living. Point number 4: due to less income, this poverty, it results in low savings because people are unable to satisfy their basic requirements. So there doesn't arise any question of saving. Hence, there is less savings. Since less savings is there in the country, there is less investment, and since there is less investments with the banks, banks don't get much of savings, so there is less capital formation. So this circle continues. Low savings results in low investment, and due to low investment, there is low capital formation in the country. Businesses get less capital to grow. Point number 5: poverty gives rise to antisocial and anti-national activities. As I said just now, we discussed the point, crime rate increases due to poverty. So, criminal activity is nothing but antisocial activity as well as anti-national activities. So, people involved in such activities due to poverty. In order to satisfy their basic needs, they involve in such wrong kind of activities. Next, poverty results in class conflicts between the rich and the poor. See, automatically the society gets divided into different classes. The class and the mass. Class means generally it is used for the rich class, the creamy section of the society, and masses means the poor people, weaker section of the society. So due to poverty, this happens that the society gets automatically divided into two classes, the rich and the poor, which is also again not advisable. It's not good, it's not morally good. Next, point number 7: poverty leads to concentration of economic power and unequal opportunities. See, due to poverty, as we discussed yesterday also, due to lack of income, people are unable to get good education. That means they are unable to provide good education to their children, and hence ultimately they get less opportunities. Due to less quality education, their children, their next generation gets less opportunities, and thus there is unequal opportunities takes place in the society due to poverty. That's the meaning. I repeat point. Poverty leads to concentration of economic power. That means money power is concentrated in the hands of very few people of the society, that is the rich section of the society, and majority, major class of the society is having very less income, and hence there is unequal opportunities given to that class. Point number 8: increase in subsidies have increased government expenditure, resulting in misallocation of resources. See, that means what? Due to poverty, government is giving subsidies to the poor section of the society, to the weaker section of the society, like free education is provided, free healthcare is provided, which should be provided actually. And also, supposing the crops fail, then government is giving subsidies to the farmers, whatever different kind of subsidies to the agricultural sector. Also government gives subsidies to the small scale industries. And since the number of subsidies is rising and rising, that means government is giving concession, government is providing subsidies, so it puts pressure on the government treasury, it puts pressure on the government fund, and thereby the government expenditure rises. Actually which should be allocated to the progress of the country. So instead of going for the progress of the country, government has to provide subsidies to the weaker sections, and thereby the government's expenditure rises, which is not good for the society. With this, we have finished with these effects of poverty. I summarize the points in short. Effects of poverty: number one, low national income and per capita income. Second, increased crime rates. Third, low standard of living. Fourth, low savings, investment and capital formation. Fifth, antisocial and anti-national activities. Sixth, class conflicts. Seventh, concentration of economic power and unequal opportunities. And number eight, increase in subsidies, which gives rise to government expenditure. So that's it for today. If you like this, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.